In this time of uncertainty, the biggest question that people have is, what do we do next? Call Envirocon Services today to schedule your free water damage or mold remediation assessment. If you have a leaky roof, a leaky water heater in the attic, flood water coming up from the bottom, or any kind of water intrusion, be sure to call a professional you can trust to get it dried properly. Remember, one of the leading causes of homes with mold problems is insufficient drying and dry standards not being reached before proceeding with the rebuild. When these steps are not taken care of properly, mold growth can lead to serious health issues. We at Envirocon Services are licensed mold remediation contracted by the state of Louisiana. Through these tough times, we want to make sure that everyone knows and understands the importance of getting an honest and trusted company. At Envirocon Services, our motto is, do it right the first time. We also work with all insurance carriers and companies. Give us a call today at 337-352-2455 for all of your water damage and mold remediation needs.